Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to fix the issue of Directx error on Battlefield 6. And to do so, it's very easy, so let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to go to the search bar here and then type DXDiag, and then click on open, and then wait for it a few seconds to open. And here it will basically tell you what is the DirectX version of your computer. So here I have DirectX 12. If you have less than 12, then you might go on Google and then type download DirectX. You can download the 11 or the 12. It's okay, but it's preferred to have the 12. Okay, so this is the first thing that you want to do. Second thing you want to do is to update your drivers. If you don't have the drivers that are updated to the latest versions, then this problem might occur. And to do so, it's very easy. So if you're on NVIDIA, just go on NVIDIA driver download, and then go to download the official NVIDIA drivers. Or you can go to AMD drivers download, and then download the latest drivers for your graphics card. And then another thing you can do is to go into the settings and then type graphics settings. And then here, once you have opened graphics settings, you can just search for Battlefield. So here I'll do it with League of Legends. It's exactly the same manipulation. So if you find your game here, you can just, if you don't find it, you can just go in the browse and then just paste the path of your game, and then it will appear right here. So here, as you can see, I have League of Legends. If I go to options, and then here I have to choose between power saving and high performance. So I will choose high performance, click on save, and then restart my computer. And that's it. Now the issue should be fixed. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.